The introduction of choosing buttons and power switch. Now let me introduce the function of the choosing buttons and the power switch in the control cabinet. 1. It is a power switch here. We can close the button when we don't use the equipment. Start the button when we need to use this machine. And wait for the equipment to start to work. Two. After starting, click the net/gross weight button and switch the gross button when we choose the gross weight function for filling the material. It can afford auto tear when choosing this function. While we choose the net weight button, the system will choose the auto tear for filling the material. 3. This button is manual/automatic filling. This button is a manual/automatic system. If we choose the manual filling function, switching to the manual system is the first step. The second step is switching to the manual filling function. The nozzle will be up and down by switching to middle or down. Generally, we choose the automatic system and automatic filling function. 4. This button is choosing chain pump. Choosing a button, the filling system will choose a pump. And a channel will be shown on the screen. Switching the button to the middle. The system won't be connected with both pumps. Switching the button to B. The filling will choose B pump. And B channel will be shown in the screen.